How to make money online without money. Introduction. Hey, Money Insight Squad. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for you. We're talking about how to make money online without spending a dime. Yes, you heard it right. Zero investment. So, if you're ready to boost your income without breaking the bank, stick around. 1. Freelance skills. First on our list is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, your skills could turn into cash. All you need is your talent and your phone. It's a win-win. 2. Survey and review apps. Next up, let's talk about survey and review apps. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer opportunities to share your opinions and get paid. Just grab your phone, share your thoughts, and watch the cash flow in. 3. Sell your creativity. If you're a creative soul, platforms like Foap and Shutterstock let you sell your photos and videos. Your artistic eye could turn into a sweet side hustle, all without spending a penny. 4. Social media management. Social media management is another fantastic way to make money online. Offer your services to businesses or individuals looking to boost their online presence. With just your phone, you can help others and make some extra cash. 5. Virtual assistants. Consider offering virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need help managing emails, appointments, and other tasks. Your organizational skills could turn into a valuable service that earns you money. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. 5 ways to make money online without spending any money. Remember, all it takes is your skills, dedication, and a smartphone. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making insights. Until next time, happy hustling.